Welcome back, it's Creative Redundancy. Welcome back, it's the one known as CR. With a vacuum cleaner modification and maintenance. Here we go. So on the left side of the screen, you'll see this crevice tool that I modified just slightly using some scrap stuff that I found. And on the right side of the screen is this vacuum cleaner that was found that I actually had to repair and get back into working order. All I had to do was basically reconnect the belt on it, and it works once again. So I'm recovering these resources and reusing some of these resources to help me out. Here I am removing the long strands of string and stuff like that off the roller, just so it keeps on rolling.
Boing.
And doesn't get snagged, for example. Here I am using the air vacuum to actually clean out the canister of the air one. Emptying out the filter, removing all that stuff, vacuuming that up so it doesn't clog the filter, so I can maintain the suction on that device right here. This vacuum cleaner, you can see there's quite a bit. And emptying it out, just using the corner of the plastic just to remove the excess stuff off of it into this bin that I have right here, and taking the air vacuum cleaner and using that to vacuum up the excess stuff. So the filter right there, as you can see, it's much cleaner now. Maintaining this gear, this vacuum cleaner. Where the fan is, removing all that excess stuff so it doesn't clog the filter and the fan. So this is what I do with this gear, just to maintain it and keep it in a running order.
As our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.
And take care out there.